be a red flag. So that may be a time we want to get an MRI. If your pain levels, that nagging high pain, and it just doesn't change, you can find no relief. That's a little bit of a red flag. Okay? Herniated discs normally affect people aged 35 or younger. And that's because usually it's an activity-related injury. Can everybody see this okay? I can pull this forward a little bit. Okay, so this is for people who are active in their job. You know, maybe they're painting, they're up and down all the time. You know, they're not just sitting, they're active and they're strained. I'm gonna attempt to do a little drawing here. I'll give you a little visual. Does anybody know what that is?
Vertebrae?
Yeah. Thank you for guessing. All right, anybody know what that is?
Disc.
Yes. Okay, anybody know what this is? It's a tough one. Yeah, all right. Excellent. Yeah, that's the nerve, so I'm going to give you a little visual here. Okay, these are your vertebrae are not the